Hey, what's up and how's it going? My name is Toby and today I have a big announcement for you guys, namely the big update for the AR Magic Bar, which is an asset that I've been creating for Unity that helps you to build amazing AR games quickly and easily. It consists out of 3 unique systems which have been greatly enhanced and improved over the last version to save you time and make it possible to get an AR game or prototype running much faster than it was possible before. Especially the last system is extremely powerful, so stay tuned. So firstly, there's the new inventory system. And this is a fast and easy way to bring your objects into the scene and can be greatly used for any kind of AR game, such as an RTS or a builder type game, or even for some action RPG where you want the player to have multiple objects organized into different kind of item groups. And you can even implement that there's only a limited amount of items or remove and gray out items at runtime using the third system, which we'll talk about in a minute. Secondly, there's the placement and transform system. And this will allow you to click on the icons on the bottom bar and place them in your scene, move, scale, rotate and delete the assets. And now with update 1.0, it is possible to adjust or limit what kind of options are available to your player. So you could, for example, only allow to move the object or rotate it or even change those options at runtime. Thirdly, there are custom interactions, and this is a very powerful new tool which allows you to add your own ways of interacting with your objects, such as picking an object up, for example, and adding it to the inventory at runtime. So you can define your own actions and the system will create buttons for you, and you can use a rich amount of events and methods to do things like disable placement or handle inventory numbers, remove or add new objects at runtime, and much more. You can basically do anything you want. You could even implement some kind of way to talk to characters in AR by using these custom interactions. So this is just a short overview of all the nice and new features that are available with the AR Magic Bar 1.0 update. And the new update also comes with some awesome sample scenes and scripts which show you how to implement all of these nice features. And there will be other tutorial videos that will show you how to use and implement all of these amazing new tools. So the AR Magic Bar with the new update 1.0 is available in the Unity Asset Store. And for those who have already bought the AR Magic Bar, the update is of course for free. Alright, but that's it for this video, so I hope you found this interesting and thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.